going on, everyone? I gotta say I'm in a great mood right now. I've officially put myself together a half-decent gaming PC for about $200. So sit back, grab something to drink, something to eat, and enjoy the little talk. Starting off here, we have the initial PC bargain. In the past, I've found PCs as little for $30. That one in specific was an Intel 3-core, 3.2 GHz with 8 GB of RAM and a 1 TB hard drive. Couldn't run Skyrim on those settings without clipping and struggling to get 15 frames per second, so I put gaming on the shelf for a few years and got into producing my own music. That HP did the trick for a while, that 3.2 GHz with 8 gigs of RAM, and I was more than happy at the time. Fast forward 5 years, the HP is still running without lag, but it just isn't cutting it for gaming at all, so I decided to dish out $100 for a 1 GB GPU. And lo and behold, I could run Skyrim, and I could get about 25-30 frames per second. And I was running only on high graphics. Ultra graphics was nothing. I'd run at 20 frames per second. And I wouldn't launch anything plus 2013 titles. Yeah, forget about those. Before I go on, I come from a console world for the most part. I started on the Commodore 64, yes, and the NES, the Nintendo Entertainment System, at my grandparents' place. When I was about 4 or 5, my parents got a Super Nintendo Entertainment System, and I was the local Mortal Kombat champ. I absolutely loved Mario, and I particularly remember playing Super Turrican so much. Super Turrican so much that I had dreams about it. Anyhow, amazingly, that 3D World came about in about 1997. The Nintendo 64 had dropped, the PlayStation 1 had dropped. Super Mario 64 blew my mind with those graphics. Absolutely phenomenal. I couldn't even imagine what could be better. At that point in time, they were the best. They were perfect graphics. When I was 25, a buddy of mine got The Witcher 3 for PC. He showed me what it was all about. I was blown away. All these sun shader graphics, amazing HD textures, amazing gameplay at that, 60 frames per second. I was downright amazed. I asked him how much his setup costs. He said $2,800. And that blew my mind too, thinking, holy man, I've spent $500 on a console. I'll never spend $2,800 on a PC. That's insane. I'll never play a PC game. But it's now 2019, and I decided to do some research on the internet to find that, hey, PCs are actually kind of affordable if you build them yourself. So my hunt was on. I searched everything I could, everywhere that I possibly could. After all is said and done, I spent $100 on my GPU, $50 on my CPU, PSU, and case, including the motherboard, and I spent about $10 in maintenance supplies and products, and I got my hard drives and RAM for $50 from a friend. So it all came up to about $200, people. $200. And now I'm getting awesome benchmarks for very cheap system. Sure, I'm not running 60 frames per second, but in my mind, $200 for 50 frames a second, it's worth it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for future updates. I will be putting out future videos. Not gonna promise when, not gonna promise how often, but I promise you that I will put out more videos. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Have a great evening. Have a great weekend. Great weekday, whatever it is. Catch you later. Talk to y'all after. Goodbye.